friends, welcome to Medicine Decoded. Now your Neet PG entrance examinations are just around the corner, and now is the time to revise obstetrics and gynecology with the help of MCQs. So we have a 2-day program where there will be a test of 100 questions followed by live interactive discussion. This is going to be scheduled for 5th and 6th of March 2022. For further information, the link is provided in the description below. Hello friends. Now in your exams you are asked questions regarding the NACO kits which are given by the National AIDS Control Organization of our country for the syndromic management of sexually transmitted infections. Now these are color coded kits which are used for treatment of cervical or urethral discharge, vaginal discharge or lower abdominal pain. Now you are expected to remember this color coding and I'll give you tricks how to remember them. Now, for cervical or urethral discharge, there's this gray colored kit which is used, which contains the required dosages of azithromycin and cefixime. Now, when I think about cervical discharge, I think about cervicitis, and the two agents we want to cover here are gonorrhea and chlamydia. So I remember G for gonorrhea and I remember G for gray. Right? So that's how I remember that for cervical discharge or urethral discharge, the gray colored kit is used. Now for the vaginal discharge, the kit that is available is the green colored kit containing the required dosages of secnidazole and fluconazole. Right? Now how do I remember it? Well, when I think about vaginal discharge, I think about vaginitis, and what we want to cover here is bacterial vaginosis, trichomoniasis and candida. So I think about the greenish discharge of trichomoniasis. And I know trichomoniasis causes vaginitis, right? So green and green colored kit for vaginal discharge. Now, when I think about lower abdominal pain, I think about PID, okay? And when I think about PID, I think about pus, and I think about the yellow color of the pus. So for lower abdominal pain, the kit that is used is the yellow colored kit, which contains the required dosages of cefixime, metronidazole and doxycycline.